Hello viewers, join me. Let's take a look at the most commonly used functions in Microsoft Excel. We'll be looking at how to you work with the sum function, the average function, the mean and the max. So for sum, let's see how we'll add the total of the values here. The sum function is used for addition. Okay, let's see how we can add the total revenue here. So just say this equals sum brackets. We copy the range, that's from E2 to E12, close the bracket, then press enter. That is it. Another way we can do that is by saying equals sum brackets. We just pick the cell numbers, that's cell E2 to which cell? E12. Now the column sign is used for copying a range of cells. The column sign, as you can see here. Press enter. That is it. There's still another way we can do that. We say equals sum brackets. We pick the individual cells and separate them with comma. E2, comma, E3, comma, E4, comma, E5, comma, E6, E6, comma, E7, comma, E8, comma, E9. We take that up to E12. Okay. Close the bracket and press enter. Okay, if you notice, we have the same thing here in this tree. That's how to use the sum function. Now let's take a look at how to use the average function. To use that, remember we'll start with our sum. Say sum. Sorry, not sum this time around. Say equals average brackets. We're looking for the average selling price. Okay. We highlight the range of the selling prices, then press enter. That is it. So this is the average selling price, the average of these numbers. Is that simple? Now to get the highest revenue, which of these products give us the highest revenue? In order to get that, what we simply do is to use the max function. So you pause max bracket. We highlight the revenues, press enter. So that shows us that the highest revenue here is 260,100. Okay, now to get the lowest revenue, we use the mean function. Say equals mean brackets. We highlight, select the range of cells we are checking from. You can decide to close the bracket or leave it open. Okay, you press enter. That's it. So the lowest revenue here was produced by Aquafina, which is 3,825. So this is how to use these basic Excel functions. It's very important for beginners.